I am Rahul Kumar and welcome to you all the second day of hands-on machine learning. So I know uh, I have uploaded one video related to machine learning, how to gather data from CSV file, TSV file, and JSON file. How you can upload and data from this CSV, TSV, and the JSON file, and how you can use that into your machine learning algorithm. So I have plan to do a hands-on tutorial to how the machine learning in a machine learning how you can use the data from different things, means how you are using from CSV and TSV file and the JSON file. Like that, in this video we are going to see the information about API. Okay, API. So how you can use the data and extract the data from API. So before going into that, so we will see what exactly API. So nowadays everyone is talking about API, right? So you might have heard in internet this means OpenAI API. They are using OpenAI API to do this work, to do that work. So in today's video, we will discuss about the API. Means what this actually API is doing. So let us understand. So the full form for API is a stand for Application Programming Interface. It is a stand for Application Programming Interface. Okay. So API, what is the main task of API? It is essentially rules that detect how two machines are talking to each other. Let us see some example. API based interaction include a cloud application. How a cloud application is communicating with the servers. How cloud applications are communicating with server. This is the things where the API comes on. Okay, or you can say one another example, how your application interaction with an operating system, means how you have some you might have some sorry, in your laptop or PC you have some applications, how that applications is interacting with your OS operating system, how they are communicating to each other. So for that we will see things here. So let us understand this by you seeing one example. So see, you are visiting any hotel, okay, and you are going to there as a customer, and what you will do, you will not go directly into the hotel, and you will go to the safe and you will say, hey, make food for me. Let's pizza. Make a pizza for me. Make a this dish for me. So you will not directly communicate with this safe. Okay. So what you will do, so you will call to the waiter and you will tell, so sir, I need a pizza, so let me deliver this within this minute. So you will directly communicate with waiter. You are not going to communicate with, safe. So here's the API is comes on. So API is like a waiter. So API is going to going to behave like a mediator, and it is connecting customer and the safe. Okay. So API is like that only. So API, what API is doing, API is working as a uh, mediator. So let us see one example so that you will be understanding this in a very clear manner. So let's go to the second chapter. So so let's see the API. I will explain by giving one example. So suppose you are an end user, you are using apps in a browser or mobile devices. You are using apps or mobile. Okay, you are using apps or mobile, everything. So what you are doing in apps or browser, you are searching in a browser. Say let's say Google browser. What you are asking, who is PM of India? So you are asking about that. Who is Prime Minister of India? PM means Prime Minister of India. So okay. So what it will do? So browser is just not going to communicate. Google browser is not just going to communicate with the web server or the databases. So what is it is doing? So it will communicate with the API, okay, and API will further pass the information to the web server, and web server will fetch the data from the database, okay, who is the Prime Minister of India, and it will return back to the API, and API will request back or give the response, okay, give the response to the web server, and finally the final end user will get the information about that the Narendra Damodar Das Modi is the Prime Minister of India. You will get like that. You will get a list of website or everything like references you will get. So you are not directly going to communicate with the database bases. Are you going to communicate directly with the databases? You are finding information about the Prime Minister of India to this database. No, you are searching to the web browser or there, and that web browser is requesting to the API. it is requesting to the API, and that API is passing that information to the web server, and that web server is going to fetch the data from the databases, and that information going to return in the API, and that API will send as a response to that web server, and that web server will display the information or result according to that. So this is the workflow of that API. Okay, so let me make it more clear. So I will consider some example there. So okay, so actually you are booking seat. So let us see. So let's see one example. So generally you are booking a ticket. Okay, IRCTC, IRCTC. Okay, for trains. Okay, let's see for trains, and for trains or flight both you can take. Okay, FLIGHT. You are booking a ticket from IRCTC website for trains and flights. Okay, so what is going here? You can book the ticket by using IRCTC website, or you can book the ticket by using where? You can use PhonePe, GPay. They are also providing some facility to book the tickets like train tickets or Google Pay ticket. Google Pay. They are also providing to book a train, buses or flights. They are providing some facility to book tickets. Okay, to book TICK tickets for trains, flights, etc. Okay. So you can book the ticket by using this IRCTC also. You can book by using here also. You can use these also. No problem. No problem in that. And there also one website is there. Make my trip. They are also facilitating this. So what you are thinking about here? Is they are providing the user information to that phone pay or Google Pay or Make My Trip? Is that they are providing information, the user data set to the database to that phone pay or Google Pay? No, neither, never, never they will provide. So what they are doing, they are providing APIs keys. Okay, API keys, they are providing API, so that if any user will come and book the ticket by using phone pay or Google Pay, so API will come there. API so what their government is doing, IRCTC, they are providing a API. Okay, they are providing a API keys to that phone pay or Google Pay, so that they can so that user can go to the phone pay or Google Pay or Make My Trip, and they can easily book their tickets there. So this is the main thing here. Okay, so if you will book your ticket by phone pay or Google Pay, so what they will do, they will request an equation to the request information to that API will check the information, is this correct or not, that user has booked the ticket or not, and that will be they will book the tickets like that. So API is doing in between that. Okay, API is working here in between them. So you can see there, API is working as a mediator here. So so Google Pay and the IRCTC, they both will be communicating to each other by using API only. By using API only. Without API keys, how they will communicate? The IRCTC will not directly give the user database to the that Google Pay or Phone Pay. So this is the thing here. Okay. So what is going to happen is, means if any user is coming and booking their ticket in that Google by using Google Pay or Phone Pay, so that information will be directly shifted to that IRCTC. It will be available on both sides. Okay, okay. If in IRCTC there is one empty two or one, let's see, this is the empty ticket. Okay, if user is booking by ticket by using Google Pay or Phone Pay, let's see, means it will be directly updated to the IRCTC portal also. It will be secret, that seat will be not vacant, this will be already booked. So this is the main concept of API is working as a mediator to communicate the two things. Okay, two machines here. Okay, so you can understand by this only. So let's see, if you are if you are booking a ticket by using IRCTC website. Okay, and this information will be directly updated into the apps also, Android apps also. If you are using uh, iOS application, it will be also updated there. If you are using any computer apps, here also that information will be updated. So that real time updation will be happen there. So this is the main concept here. Okay, API is what the API is doing. API is just working as a mediator to come to make communication between two things. So this is the thing. Okay, so in this video we have learned about the concept of API, what the API is actually doing, So I might think you have some clear understanding about this API. So what the API is actually doing here. So we can meet into the another video. Not in another video we will meet, and we will see the how you can what you can do. So let me see once. Okay. So let me insert one page. So in another video, what we will do. So guys, let's come to the practical part of this. So here is the thing. So let me zoom out this something. Okay, I think this is visual for you all. So okay, let's go. So what we will do here. So we will use here a website called TMDB. So what we will do here, we will go to this website, and here we will create our API key. API key. So we will create our API key from here. So let's go into that. So let's go directly to this website. So I am directly going to that website, TMDB website. Sorry. So actually, I have already created our API key. So for that, I have to show you TMDB website is coming here. So you need to just click here, and this first website you can see here. It's a TMDB website. So let me fix my pen here. Sorry. Let me fix my pen so that I can write epic. Okay. So you will see the first website is showing here, that movie data database dot this one. So you will directly click on that. So let me click here. Okay, network connection is okay. It's coming. Okay. So guys, you need to log in here. So okay, if you are new user, you need to log in here. Okay, so register here, and it will ask some basic information about that. So you need to fill their information. You have to make your profile here. After that, you need to click on your profile here, and you need to go to the setting directly. After going to the setting, what you need to do, you have to just see the API will show here. Okay, you can see here API is displaying here. Sorry. So API is displaying here. So you need to click here. So I'm going to click here. Sorry, let me erase this first. So you need to click here. Okay. So click here directly. So I'm clicking. So okay. So in first, if you will do this first time, it will not show like that. It will show something to fill out the form, and you need to fill the some detail about that. Means you have to fill the detail, what the detail they will ask some information about for what purpose you are using this. So you need to check out the developer thing, and after developer they will you ask for which purpose you are using. You need to fill out there for education purpose. So you need to fill there for education purpose, education purpose, and where you need to use this to. So you have to say that we are using for a teaching purpose, and I am going to use in Jupyter lab book, Jupyter notebook. You have to so give there, and they will ask URL. Then you need to go to the Jupyter notebook, and you can give their URL, and they will ask some information. You have to just simply give some information, and they will provide you API. So you can see I am getting this API here. I am getting this API here. So you can see clearly. So I am getting this API. So what I will do, so I will use this API to fetch out the some information from this website. So what I will fetch information. So I will take some movies related information. I will fetch some information like the top rated movie which is available there in that website. So I will fetch out that information. So let's begin into that. So let's move to this our PPT file, PPT folder. So say here. 1 minute. Okay. So see here what is there. So I have directly mentioned one thing here. So you can see I have mentioned that TMDB API. Here is the what is there. Here is the top rated movie. Okay. This is the link for the top rated movie. So we can directly go to there. Top rated movie is there. So what I will do. So I will control and I will press control and click on that. So it will directly display on the top rated movie which is available here. Okay. So see, top rated movie is available here. So I can see here. So what I need to do? So here you can see the top rated movie. It is displaying here. So what I need to do? I need to go here and I need to select the Python. Okay, Python. After selecting Python, you will get a request folder like that. So request folder is showing here, and from here, what you need to do? You have to copy paste. You had to copy the this URL. Okay, you can see this URL. So you need to copy this URL from here. Okay, so you need to copy the URL from here, this URL. Okay, so you need to copy this URL. Okay, after copying this URL, what you need to do? So let's see. So I am copying this URL. Let me copy this. So I have copied this URL. So okay, so control C, like that. You need to copy and you have to go here. Okay, and after coming here, what is that? So after generating the API key and logging to there, you have to paste that here. Okay, like that you need to paste. So let's suppose I am pasting here. See, match this one, https API, the movies that this is the same thing, rated, top rated. Okay, after this top rated and the sign of interrogation, after this sign of interrogation, what you need to mention after this sign of interrogation? After that you have to fill here, what do you need to write? You have to write here what? API, and this one underscore KEY is equal to, and here you need to give your API key, what the API key you have. Okay, and after that you need to present this one, and this everything will come like that only. See, everything is coming now. So after writing API, you need to give this symbol. Okay, there is the main problem here, you will get error. So you need to do this thing clearly. Okay, so I have some addition, so let me mention here. So I have to give underscore. Okay, so now it is okay, underscore. Okay, let me copy this, and after copy this, wait a minute, sorry. Okay, let me copy this first. So I have copied this and control C. Okay, and you have to go to that website, open a new tab, and here you will you need to paste the that URL which you have pasted, copied, and let's see what will happen. So you have to paste here. Okay, so I paste there. Okay, so what I will get? I will get see what I will get. See, I am getting the data set, fetched a data set which I have extracted from that API using. So the the top rated movie. So I get this one. So you need to do this the same thing here. So I am getting page, this one result, this one background, something I am getting this one. So this is not a clearly visible and the readable file. So what I will do? So I will convert this into JSON file and I will show the information. Okay, I will show you the information what is there. So let me convert this into uh, JSON file. So there you will see the information. So what I will do. So let me see. Okay, huh. So you need to search here. What you need to search? You need to search here JSON viewer. Okay, what? JSON VIEWER, viewer, and you need to press enter. Okay, and what you need to do? You have to enter here, and it will show interface like that. After that it will give show interface like that only. Okay, so what you need to do? So what the file you have get here? So let me show you once again. So here, wait a minute. So this is our data set. Okay, first data set, the top rated movie. Okay, I need to control A, select all, and control C, select all. Okay, and you need to paste here, control B. Okay, after pasting the data set information what you have to just click on the view. You can see here view button is there. You can click on the view. Here your JSON folder is ready. If I want to see the first page, on first page what the information is given, you can see the result here. Okay, on first page in zeroth row, it is the information given here. Okay, so actually, how many pages we have? We have 486 pages. Total result we have 9,707 pages. Okay. So cell by cell, you can see the from the second you can see here the information which is given here, and everything you can see here also. So let me see for the first page. Uh, Page number first. Okay, for page number one, for value set. Okay. So you can see the information is given here. Okay. So what we have that we have this much. both average video title, this one, and for first one, what we have? Okay. For first one, this one we have. So we have how many columns here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 columns. Okay. We have 14 columns like that. And how many rows we have? So we have, so sorry. So you can see that we have 19 rows here and 14 column. So this is the data set what we have. So let's come to the our Jupyter file. So I have actually written the everything related to coding part. So first, what you need to do, you have to just import the pandas library. So I am importing pandas library as PD. I have already told you why we are importing the as a PD, because I don't want to use everything every time as a pandas. So I have did that as a PD. So it will be easier for me to do the thing. So, and I am importing the request. Okay, I am importing the request. So yeah, as you can see that I am importing the request here, importing request. So these two things. After that, what I need to do for API key. So response is equal to request dot get, and the same thing you need to paste here. What the we are getting this data set by doing this into the new tab. Now the same thing you need to paste here. Okay, and after that you have to run this both cell. So this cell. So after running this cell, I am getting some error here. So what the error I am getting? Let me see. So okay. So I am getting this error because of that. Let me run this again. Response is equal to this one. Again, I am getting the error. So let me rectify. Okay. Okay. So key API key is equal to this one. So I will directly take from there. So I will copy this one and I will paste there. Control C. This I need to paste there. Okay, as a URL. So let me go and let me paste here the thing. So, okay. Huh. Control V. Okay. So same error I am getting. Why I am getting this error? I don't know. 833. Let me check my API. API is good only, same only. So I am getting. Oh, so sorry, sorry. So let me run once again this one and this one as this one. I think guys there is some. So let me see. It is saying you have exceeded the maximum time retrieving, so you can't perform more than that. So can I get another API key? Okay, I need to connect VPN. So let me connect first. So it will take a time. Oh, it's connected. So let me see what will happen. So after saving this, see like that information you need to fill there. Okay. So after saving this, let me see. Did I get any another API or something? Control C. Let me paste this one here. After before and control V. So so right. So I'm getting this one. Okay. So I'm getting. So actually, what happened, guys? I have used this API many times to run this file, so it was giving error. So let me run this second file. So what is the result is equal to key value result? Oh, not showing. Why? So I am did the same thing now. Okay, it's running. Why it is not running? So what is error here? So key cell tier period radar from key error. I am getting key error. So let me rectify. Same thing I am getting from here. And what about the head file? I am getting the head. This I am getting. So ID I am getting, title I am getting, and request response. Puji.Tetna title is not sale. Okay. Let me run from first cell. Okay. I'm getting results. So let me clarify this. So why I am getting this one? So I think it might have. because of some. So let me explain, guys. So it is error, so no problem is there. So what I am doing here, so I am taking the data from the data response .json. That file was my JSON file now. So from there, what the specific result I am taking? What I am taking ID, title, the release date, overview, and the popularity of that movie and the vote average. I am taking this file, this column only. Out of these 14 data columns, I am taking only six column only. So after running this file, so let me show you. So after running this, I am getting or not. So after running this, I am getting that six columns only. So you can see here, I am getting only that ID, title, release date, overview, popularity, and the vote average. I am getting that only. So this is the thing I am getting. So let me show you once. Okay, okay. So that is I am getting. So df dot head you can make here. So after entering 10, it will show the 10 rows according to that. So see, it is showing the 10 rows. So you can make however you want. You can make 100 also. So it will show according to that. So in the fifth thing, what I am getting, I am get a data from page 5. What I am getting, I am doing get a data from page 5. So what I am doing here, so I am getting a data. So there is so many pages there now. So I am see here. Let me show you guys once. How many we have? How many we have? One we have actually 486 pages. We have 486 pages. So out of that, so I need to get the data from the page number 5. So what I will do? So the same thing will be here, and here I will instead of page number first, here I was giving the page number first, no, here. So instead of page number first, I will give here page number 5. So according to that, it will give the result according to the page number 5. It will give the result which is available on the page number 5. So as you can see here, so it will give the result from the page number 5. So this is the thing here. So let us move to the another thing. So what is the here? So here I will create a shape of that page number 5. So what I am doing here is I am creating a shape of page number 5. So what I will do? So I will take this one, df1 dot shape, df1 dot shape. So it will give the shape of that. So 22 into 22 comma 6, it is the shape of that. So you can consider this. And what I am doing is I am converting this into a CSV file. So what I am doing? So you need to write df dot shape, df dot to underscore CSV, and what the name you want to give as a CSV file. So I need to give the movies underscore page 5 dot CSV. So for to the name of this file only, that CSV file will be saved into your directory. So you can see that one. So after running this and this cell, what you will get? Let me show you. So after running this and this, so you can see here. After running this, I am getting movie slash page 5 uh, underscore. I am getting this one. So let me open this one. So after opening this one, you can see this is the data set what I am getting from there. So this is the data set what I am getting from page number 5. Similarly, the same thing you can do. The same thing you can perform. Sorry, the same thing you can perform there also. So okay, the same thing you can perform for the data set for first page also. So we are taking data from the first now. So we can create the CSV file for page number first also. So the same thing you need to write here, and you will get the data set as a first. After running this, what you will get? If you will see here, the movie underscore page first you will get here. So this is also data, the CSV file what you will get in the CSV file. So in this video, what we have learned, guys. So I have learned how to take first point. What we get? How to get data set from API. API. Okay. And second thing, how to convert that data set into CSV file. So these two things we have learned in this video practical session. So in first thing, we have learned how to how to take a data set from API using API, and how to convert into the JSON file, how to see the data set using JSON tool. And in the second thing, we have to see how to fetch out the data, how to convert that data into CSV file. So this all the Jupyter file and the data set you can be able to get into my GitHub profile. So I will mention our GitHub profile there. So you will be able to get the all code and the data set. So don't worry about that. I will give my GitHub URL in our video description. So you will get the data set and the required Jupyter file from and there. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will be able to make another video on another topic in the next upcoming video. So